self. I be like, either love me or leave me alone. I'm good solo, I'm no hosto. Who need an entourage? Growing up, I just had me. Like you was through the guy. Tried so hard to stand out, still I was camouflaged. My daydreams were bad dreams, nightmares full of sad scenes, comebacks for bad deeds. So I blow trees, the cloud seas, until brought up. I broke down many nights, they wanna go farther, but I'm a fighter that managed to up and tough it out. Settle down, left them hoes alone like retired gardeners. Haters wanna push my wig back like a bag barber, cause I'm on the block with the white. No Vince Carter. Hell yeah, I'm frontin', but niggas love it though. Louis on the frames, but it's Gucci on the luggage though. 4-1 baby, I'm reppin' it everywhere I go.
Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night.
Blast off, I'm up inside aerospace. You can call it the hero's chase. I'm killing villains and everybody's blood be spilling. I ain't joking around, I ain't the laughing type. No ha-ha-ha's, I keep doing it. Nah, no lies. Everybody really know my name. Ha-ha, a tick and a tock. I make the clock stop and the whole watch be watching when I kill it. Non-stop, this ain't nothing, the time was yesterday. Well, what about tomorrow? Here it comes, I've got time to borrow when I'm up in the outer space. Trying to chase dreams, but reality's a race. Everybody's there, and everybody's fake, and everybody's real when they take from the cake. But I'ma get my own cake, I'ma get my own cat. I'ma be that zone man, I'ma be that damn man.
Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night. Yo, I just hop about the airplane. They say the sky is the limit for a damn night.
I'm one of the best that ever did it. Homie, is you kidding? If you think not, then you must not be listening. Pay attention, I'm like Ali at his best. Competition gets put to rest, no quest. Hell yeah, I stay fresh. Hoes on my tip, but I'm about money. So I send them straight to the left. They trying to put me to the test. I never fail, so while you waiting on the downfall, you can get that shit a rest. Some people say I retired in reality, never left. So you can say what you want, waste your breath. I'm still here doing my thing like I'm the last man left. Bet when the smoke clears, you at your death. You fucking with me, I think's not, man, I'm bad for your wealth. Stick to your J job or you have nothing left. Really, cuz, come on, do you think you the best? Wake up, won't you just pinch yourself?